Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you the new product for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. This is Quick Bandit. This is easy removable and install license plate holder for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. So now I don't have to use this adhesive license plate holder that came with the car, because by using this I have to install the adhesive on the front bumper, which will stay there forever, and it will ruin the design of this beautiful front end of Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. And when you try to remove this, it's gonna be really hard to get rid of this adhesive on your front bumper. So today I'm going to show you what comes in the box and how to install this Quick Bandit license plate holder, and at the end I will show you the overall look of this license plate. Let's go. Let's see what comes in the box of this Quick Bandit license plate holder for Tesla Model 3. Alright, here it is. So this is the license plate holder itself, and here's also a tools that comes inside the box, and the instruction manual right here. Right, seems really simple. You rarely need any tools to actually install it in and out. This license plate holder made from a CNC machine with a really strong and sturdy plastic. As you can see, the thickness of each part of the license plate holder. Alright, now let's go install this license plate holder from Quick Bandit on my Tesla Model 3. Before we start the installation, let me show you where I got this Quick Bandit license plate holder from. I got it from 1975creations.com. They also offer the license plate holder for Model X, Model S, Model Y, and Model 3. And if you get it from their website and use my special discount code, Dad's Toys, you'll get extra 10% off on your order. Alright, now let's continue with the installation. Okay, so first thing first, of course, we have to screw in the license plate to the holder first. Now we prepare the locking screw that comes in the package. First, you have to put in the split lock washer first, the smaller one. It's like that. And then put in the flat washer there, and then on the right side of the license plate holder, there's a spot right there for the locking screw. Don't screw in all the way, just screw in until you can feel on the other side right there. Don't go in, otherwise you cannot lock the license plate holder. Alright, now let's put it on my car. Now find the center of the grill right here, and there's a V shape there, right there. I'm sure you can see the V shape on the bracket itself, and then you insert it in using the V shape as the center of it, and align that V shape, and then it will go in easily, just like that. Okay, after you insert it in, we have to press this lever right here down. Let me show you. So when you press it down, it will pop out to lock to the grill there. See? Okay, now let's do that. Now we have to pull this lever down all the way down. There you go. Now it's all the way down. Make sure it's locked. You see, I cannot pull it out anymore. Now it's locked in place really good. So to do another lock, we have to screw this in using the tool that comes in the box. So the screw that we just screw in, basically locking the lever so you can pop it up, or if someone tried to steal it, they can just pop it up anymore, and now it's keep locking. To remove the license plate holder, it's really simple. Basically just unlock this screw and then pull the lever up. That's it. Now it's unlocked and you can just remove it. Alright, now let me show you an overall look of this license plate holder from Quick Bandit. So that's it guys, the installation was done and it looks really good. Now I have the option of taking it out or putting it back in. Yeah, I love how it looks and the function and how easy it is to install. So now I can use this on the road trip if I'm traveling to the state that has more strict rules on front plate. And thank you so much for watching today's video guys, and don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for future contents. We'll see you on the next video.